Giraffe is the simpler option for beginners because you can start playing eligible games without paying a tournament entry fee, while Solitaire Cash is built around competitive solitaire tournaments that can involve real money entry fees. By the end, you'll know how each app works, what you need to start earning, and which one makes more sense if you've never used a reward app before. Start with Giraffe. Giraffe uses a straightforward play and earn model. You select eligible mobile games, play them through the app, earn gems from qualifying activity, and redeem those gems for available rewards. Giraffe currently advertises PayPal Cash and gift card redemptions, and its website lists a $0.20 minimum cash outin. The important part for beginners is that you don't need to learn competitive tournament scoring or risk an entry fee just to use the basic reward system. You still need to follow the requirements attached to each game or offer. If the app doesn't track the activity correctly, you may not receive the expected gems. Now compare Solitaire Cash. Solitaire Cash is a competitive solitaire game operated by Papaya Gaming. Its tournaments are based on your performance against other players, and the app offers both free play and cash tournament options depending on your eligibility and location. Papaya says Solitaire Cash uses skill-based gameplay, and its standard solitaire rounds are timed. That makes the learning curve different. You need to understand the solitaire rules, scoring system, tournament format, and the difference between free gems tournaments and cash competitions. Cash tournaments can also require an entry fee. That means a beginner should understand the prize structure and entry cost before putting money into a competition. There are also withdrawal requirements. Papaya's support information says cash withdrawals have a minimum amount and can involve a processing fee, while withdrawals can take up to 14 days to process. So which is better for beginners? A. Giraffe wins for simplicity. On the make sure. You can start with game-based rewards without entering a cash tournament, and the basic process is easy to understand. Play, earn gems, and redeem. Solitaire Cash is better for beginners who already enjoy competitive solitaire and want the possibility of cash tournament prizes. If you're completely new, start with Giraffe and learn how the reward system works before trying more complicated earning apps. If you prefer solitaire, use the free options in Solitaire Cash first. Learn the scoring and tournament rules before considering a paid entry. One more thing, neither app guarantees a specific income. Your results depend on the games available, your activity, eligibility, location, and the current reward or tournament terms. So the short verdict is easy Giraffe for beginners who want simplicity. Solitaire Cash for beginners who specifically want competitive solitaire. Check the current withdrawal and eligibility rules before you start, because those terms can change. Like the video and subscribe for more reward app comparisons.